Hello guys, welcome to our channel. Today I am going to show you how to add a link on Instagram history. Okay, so let's get started. Then first of all, click on Instagram app and tap on plus icon and click on history. Take a picture and click on sticker option and just click on link option. Okay, to add link, tap on Facebook, click on menu option and click on profile, to tap three dot option and click on copy profile link. Okay, then back and paste your URL and done. Just click on this option to add a link on Instagram history. That's all. Thanks for watching. Please like, comments and subscribe.